First thing you will do is sign into the Accela Citizens Access Portal. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one. Once you are logged in, click the Home button. Then you will choose Private Provider Application under Licenses. You must then check the General Disclaimer box before clicking Continue Application. Next you will select Add New and fill out your information. If you already have an account, you can choose Select from an account and pick your info. Begin filling out the custom fields with your information. If there is a red asterisk, you must fill in that box with the requested info. Next, you can then add a duly authorized agent to your account if you have one. Otherwise, you can skip this step and continue. Now you will click the Add button to upload your private provider license and your certificate of insurance information. Be sure you filled out all the required fields before trying to move forward. Once you have completed the application, you can then review all your information and click Continue so your application be sent to the staff for review. Thanks for watching. For any questions or concerns, please contact us at cctech@charlottecountyfl.gov.